Today is the day. The new Mac Mini is here with the M1 chip, 16 gigabyte RAM, 512 SSD. I was nervous about shipping, but it finally got here with Christmas. Let's see. This is the part I've been waiting for. All right, Mac Mini M1 with the upgraded RAM and hard drive. Wow. It looks like a big Apple TV. That. Mac Mini. Man, that's built so nice. Cold to the touch. Here we've got two USB earphone, HDMI, two Lightning, and an Ethernet. And with my setup, I'm running two Philips 272Es. I believe they're 27 inch. So I'm going to go HDMI into one, Lightning cable into the other. I found this one on Amazon, a USB-C to HDMI cable. And that'll allow you to set up two monitors on this. Ooh, I'm happy. Happy. Let's see what we got here in the box. Mac Mini instructions. Ooh. That's a big gray Apple sticker. Those are hard to find. That's exciting. All right. Let's see here. Come with our power cable. I have two Apple TVs, and this looks like almost the exact setup, but we know it's not. But it's almost, I feel like they got the design from the Apple TV. Power cable. That's it. Apple sent the Magic Mouse and Magic Keyboard that I ordered 2 weeks early because they were in stock. This was back ordered because of the customization, upgrading the RAM, which I highly recommend doing. That's what made it take about 2.5, 3 weeks. But it was ahead of schedule. They actually had it at December 24th, and today is December 15th. So, shout out to Apple. Here we have the Magic Mouse. I've never seen one of these before, and that is pretty awesome. It's going to match up perfect. Let me open the box. Apple just does it right. So, if you get the Magic Mouse, you get a USB, that's an iPhone charger. iPhone charger. USB iPhone charger. Got your detailed instructions. Everything with Mac, obviously. Apple is, half of it's the experience of opening the box, in my opinion. No stickers with the mouse, but I wasn't expecting any with that. Magic Mouse. Now let's do Magic Keyboard. much easier than the mouse opening. I'm gonna slide out. That keyboard looks like it's going to match exactly like my MacBook Pro. I love that. When you compare this, there is no comparison. The keys. That is going to be the Mac setup, but that keyboard is exactly like a MacBook Pro, and I can show you when you look at the MacBooks. Look at the keyboards. That's identical. That's one of my favorite features of the MacBook. Well, I'm going to get this powered up, and then I'll do a quick initial review, but I can already tell this is going to be an amazing experience. Appreciate it. All right, guys, I want to do a quick update on the video. I purchased the Magic Mouse, and it's nice, but this is what I wanted all along. So I'm going to be sending this back today, and went ahead and purchased the Magic Trackpad 2 in the space gray to match. I've been told they've added the clicking to it, and I can see that. If you look, you've got a little space now, and I guarantee you that makes it click. All right, let's turn the Bluetooth off on the Magic. Let's power on Trackpad. Oh yeah, you can tell there is a click added to this. That's awesome. Good deal. Now to get it recognized. All right, guys, I've been doing a little review on the Mac Mini for the past 4 hours. I'm in love with this thing. This is the 16 gigabyte upgraded version, as we can see here, with the M1 chip. Let's go ahead and do a little speed test. I have 400 internet here. Let's see what we got. Every bit of it. That's direct connect, so I like to see that. That'll work. Now let's do a Safari. Trading views is really nice on here. All right, let's App Store. I mean, it is snappy, guys. Radar Scope, one of my favorite apps. Full screen. Then you can drag, well, let's see here. Right over into the other screen. So with this setup, I've got HDMI on this one, Lightning to HDMI cable on this one. So it lets me have a dual screen with the Mac Mini. Let's pull up something big here. QuickBooks. That's a pretty big program. Let's see how that loads up. Did I click it? Oh, it's over here. It already loaded. I had it on the wrong screen. Let's do a sample. Continue. I mean, this is this is crazy how fast this is, guys. Let's try Apple Music. Let's try Apple TV. And I know one here, let's try Google Earth, because we know that's a tough. Google Earth. Launch Google Earth. This is pretty wild, guys. I mean, it's downloading fast. I mean, there's no buffering. I'm impressed, guys. And I've also downloaded, let's look at our temps here. This has been running for 4 hours. 106 degrees, 86 degrees on the GPU. Fan is barely turned on the whole time. It's ice cold. I have the Magic Keyboard set up. I bought the Magic Mouse too. It's nice, but I don't like it. I'm going to get the Trackpad and have that sent in, and I think that's going to complete the Mac. This completes my review. I'm impressed. Go out and get this, but make sure you upgrade to the 16 gigabyte because you cannot upgrade them yourself. With the new 2020s, you can't upgrade yourself. So make sure you get that upgraded now from the factory, and you'll enjoy this Mac. Hopefully this thing lasts. I mean, with it not moving, it's going to last a long time. There's no moving parts except the fan. So I hope you enjoy this review. Like and review. Thanks again.